Big news in aviation. Korean Air and Boeing are teaming up to transform aircraft maintenance for the future. This partnership focuses on predictive maintenance, using live aircraft data and machine learning to spot issues before they happen. Instead of waiting for a problem, airlines can act early, avoiding costly delays and downtime. Korean Air already has a predictive maintenance team, launched in 2023. Now, with Boeing's global expertise, they're scaling up to make maintenance smarter, faster, and more reliable. The benefits are huge: fewer disruptions, improved safety, lower costs, and even reduced emissions. It's a win for both passengers and the planet. This isn't just a partnership, it's a blueprint for the future of aviation. If successful, predictive maintenance could soon become the industry standard, keeping fleets flying smoothly worldwide. The future of flight is predictive.